Number 1. 1979 Dodge D300 Custom Cab, $1,700, Daggett, California. The 1979 Dodge D300 Custom Cab is a heavy-duty one-ton work truck known for durability and towing capability. It is powered by a rebuilt 440 cubic inch V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. The odometer shows 93,262 miles, and the truck has been sitting for several years under planned non-operation registration. The transmission will require repair. Features include heavy-duty camper springs, swamper rims, a utility rack, and a pull-out tool drawer. The truck has rust and flat tires, but includes extra parts such as a hood, grille, and bucket seats. With a clean title, it presents an affordable restoration project. Number 2. 1971 Datsun 521 Pickup, $2,500, Vancouver, Washington. The 1971 Datsun 521 is a compact pickup known for reliability and simplicity. It is powered by a 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine with a 4-speed manual transmission and rear-wheel drive. The engine currently does not run, but turns over by hand and will require rebuilding. The odometer has rolled over. The body appears straight with mostly surface rust in the bed and a small dent on the driver's side fender. With a clean title and solid body, it offers a good restoration opportunity. Number 3. 1988 GMC 3500 Crewcab, $3,200, Surrey, British Columbia. The 1988 GMC 3500 Crewcab is a heavy-duty pickup built for work and passenger capacity. It is equipped with a 350 cubic inch V8 engine, automatic transmission, and rear-wheel drive. Crewcab models provide 4 full doors and extra passenger space. The truck is described as being in fair condition and may need cosmetic or minor mechanical attention. Finished in orange with a clean title, it offers a solid base for an affordable vintage work truck. Number 4. 1988 Ford Ranger STX 4-wheel drive, $4,200, Cedar Ridge, California. The 1988 Ford Ranger STX is a compact 4-wheel drive pickup powered by a 2.9-liter V6 engine with a 5-speed manual transmission. The truck runs strong, shifts smoothly, and shows no smoke. The odometer reads 66,000 miles, but may have rolled over. The body shows paint fading, but reportedly has no rust damage. It has passed emissions testing and comes with a clean title, making it a dependable classic compact truck. Number 5. 1989 Jeep Comanche 4.0 Inline 6, $3,200, Lathrop, California. The 1989 Jeep Comanche is a compact pickup related to the Jeep Cherokee sport utility vehicle. It is powered by a durable 4.0-liter inline-6 engine with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. The odometer shows 148,000 miles, and the truck runs and drives very well with no overheating or oil leaks. With a clean California title and simple white exterior, it represents a dependable classic Jeep-based pickup. Number 6. 1983 Chevrolet Silverado C20, 3/4-ton pickup, $8,900, Shoreline, Washington. The 1983 Chevrolet Silverado C20 is a classic 3/4-ton pickup from the square body generation. It is powered by a 5.7-liter, 350 cubic inch V8 engine with a 4-barrel carburetor and turbo 400 automatic transmission. The odometer reads 52,132 miles, and the owner reports it rolled over once during 33 years of ownership. Features include power steering, power brakes, cruise control, air conditioning, dual fuel tanks, dual exhaust, and a tilt steering wheel. The rebuilt engine and long-term ownership make it a well-preserved classic work truck. Number 7. 1988 Ford F-150 XL four-wheel drive, $9,999, Champaign, Illinois. The 1988 Ford F-150 XLT LARIAT is a full-size pickup powered by a 351 cubic inch 5.8-liter V8 engine, paired with an automatic transmission and four-wheel drive with locking hubs. The truck shows 90,224 miles and includes power windows, power locks, cruise control, tilt steering wheel, and dual fuel tanks. It also features factory rally wheels, a roof visor, new front tires, and serviced air conditioning. With original documentation and a clean history report, it is a well-preserved example of a classic Ford pickup. Number 8. 1988 GMC 3500 454 Big Block, $975, Lakeport, California. The 1988 GMC 3500 is a heavy-duty one-ton pickup powered by a 454 cubic inch V8 engine with a turbo 400 automatic transmission and electronic fuel injection. The odometer is broken, but the seller estimates less than 100,000 miles. The truck has been sitting for about 20 years, but recently started, and the engine and transmission remain strong. It will need a water pump and cosmetic work and has a salvage title, making it a very affordable project truck. Number 9. 1961 Ford F-100 short bed unibody, $8,900, San Diego, California. The 1961 Ford F-100 unibody features a rare design where the cab and bed are integrated into a single structure. This truck has been upgraded with a 429 cubic inch Ford Thunderjet V8 engine, paired with a C6 automatic transmission and Holley carburetor. It has received numerous upgrades including new shocks, brake components, aluminum radiator, relocated fuel tank, electronic ignition, and new tires. The odometer shows 36,000 miles but is rolled over. With its rare design and powerful engine, it stands out as a unique custom classic truck. Number 10. 1977 Chevrolet C20 Camper Special, $7,900, Marysville, Washington. The 1977 Chevrolet C20 Camper Special is a heavy-duty 3/4-ton pickup designed for hauling campers and heavy loads. It is powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 engine with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. The odometer shows 108,850 original miles, and the truck remains largely original. Recent maintenance includes brake repairs, new fuel pump, carburetor service, distributor, battery, and a new triple-core radiator. With a clean title and very clean bed and tailgate, it is a well-maintained classic Chevrolet work truck.